Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. Another cooking show for you. In this video, we're gonna make a 4-blend smoothie. And in this smoothie, we'll have strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, blueberry. And this is the best bag to buy. We're not sponsored by any of these products today. And then we're gonna need vanilla ice cream.
Mixture, see? You don't even need totally lots, just because it's strong, right? Let's see if that's enough.
But this is our favorite, and you could use your favorite vanilla. And we got milk to go with recipe and sugar. Yep. Stay tuned. We'll get a smoothie for you. Thank you. Okay, folks, we're gonna make our smoothie. We'll start with the berries.
That's the best bag to buy.
This is the best bag to buy, April said. 4-berry blend. She filled the bag up to halfway. Just over half. Whoa, look at that, folks. We got strawberries, blueberries. We got this one, I don't know what's that called. And raspberries. Oh, what's this called?
Blackberry.
Oh, the blackberries. Yeah, blackberries. Cool, very delicious. Look at that, folks. I could just taste it. Okay, we'll get that. She said over half full. We'll save some for later. And 3 teaspoons of sugar, she said. 1, 2, 3. We'll mix it up. We'll microwave it for 5 minutes. That's the first step, folks. Step 1 in our process of our 4-blend mix smoothie. All right, here's the microwave. It's going in for 5 minutes. All right, we'll let that cook. Okay, folks, it's 5 minutes. The berries are looking good. Whoa.
We'll blend them, then we'll strain them.
Yeah, we'll blend them and strain them.
I don't like the seeds in them.
And we're gonna strain it because we're gonna take out the seeds. It's teamwork, April and Michael.
Today. It's today work.
Okay, folks, it's coming along. Oh, we're gonna blend it. I'll get it all in there. Our berries are in, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Low, medium, high. Okay, folks, the mixed berries are done. Make sure the power's off, folks. Look at that. Looks good. We're gonna strain it now to get out the seeds. We'll put some in, then we'll whisk it. Gabriel says, there. You whisk it so it'll go down better through the screen. Put some more. Look at that seeds in there. It catches. A bunch of them, look. You'll grow like strawberries, blueberries in your stomach if you have those seeds. So that's why you get it out, folks. Yeah, you'll grow a fruit garden in your stomach. There'll be blueberries all over. Patches. Oh, look. Look at the seeds, folks.
They're good.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is all just cute.
Let's get it real good. So look at the seeds.
There. Look at
that seeds, folks. That's why you whisk it. Look at that.
See? This will make a lot of
consistency.
You can even put it in like in a jar and put it in your fridge till the
What do you say about two you needed two oranges?
2 freshly squeezed oranges.
Yep.
When you're putting it in there.
Oh, when you're putting it in here?
Squeeze orange juice. Give it some citrus liquid. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah. We forgot oranges to put in here. We don't have any, so make sure you squeeze 2 oranges and put it in here before you blend it.
Okay.
Okay, folks.
We'll be back. You gotta wash your blender.
April's gonna show us the rest. It's how to make a 4-blend smoothie. Education for you. So you can make it at your place.
What kind of 4-blend? 4 berry? Okay.
The 4-blend is strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, and blueberry.
This part, like just a splash of milk. See, just a splash, just to get it going. And then our mixture. See, you don't even need totally lots. Just because it's strong, right? Let's see if that's enough. Now put on power.
Folks, and it's on a on and off motion.
Yeah, but let's put on high.
Oh yeah, we're changing it to high voltage.
The hole on top is for.
Yeah, that's a hole on top. It's light here, Avril said. So right here is light, so you put more berries.
Actually, wait. Let's add a little more ice cream because I like mine thicker.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right, Michael.
I'm just thinking education for one day could make it at their place. They'll know.
So good. Make some right now. It's so yummy. And it's filling. When you wake up real hungry, it's good. Where's the cover?
That's a thing. The cover is here somewhere.
Okay, let's try again.
Alright, our smoothie's done, folks. Done mixing. We added some through the top of our blender. That's what that's for. I learned that. We're gonna put some in here, folks. We'll taste it. See how delicious it is. Delicious it is. Avril's smoothie recipe. Michael and Avril style. Look at that, how we pour that. Trying to get some footage for you folks. Wow.
Give me that.
Looks so delicious. Yep. We get that wiped off. Okay folks, look, right there it is. Look, we got a glass cup for you. Nice, we'll try it. Oh, it's very good.
And it's good that you strain out the seeds because
you don't taste seeds.
Yeah, you know how seeds wreck
interrupting you?
Yeah.
Your smoothie?
No,
yeah.
it's smooth.
Always drain your seeds, April said. It tastes very delicious. Good taste ice cream. Yeah. Thank you, April. Teamwork. Yeah.
Let me try. Where is it?
It's so good. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is educational. Please subscribe so you'll see future videos. All right. Bye for now.